28-year-old Boonsy Dickinson is a freelance journalist who started banking with a mobile device 2 years ago when she bought her first smartphone. Her job requires that she's always on the move, so it helps that her bank can go where she goes.
I work in San Francisco and New York, so I can go on to my mobile banking application and check to see if a client has paid me.
Dickinson is one of 38 million in the U.S. currently banking on the go, a number that has nearly doubled in the past year. Mark Schwanhausser is a senior analyst with Javelin Strategy and Research covering the financial services industry. He separates mobile banking features into two categories. The first is what Schwanhausser calls mobile money monitoring.
Mobile monitoring is the ability to check your balances, to go online and see what recent transactions are, to be able to receive alerts. It's that sort of where am I standing right now?
And the second Schwanhausser describes as mobile money movement.
Mobile movement would be things like I need to pay somebody some money, I need to move some money to an account, I need to pay a bill. So there's a lot of different varieties of transfers and payments and money movement.
The goal, says Schwanhausser, is for banks to develop robust apps that combine both mobile monitoring and movement into one user-friendly experience.
The first piece is the view, and then the second part's the do.
Dickinson uses features that help her view and do, from checking her balance to searching for an ATM nearby using the phone's geolocation features.
I really like the ATM feature because it lets me find ATMs wherever I am.
Another appealing feature some banks have recently rolled out is mobile deposits. Here, users can take a photo of their check with their smartphone's camera, send it to the bank, and then have the bank deposit the funds.
The idea of being able to take a picture of a check, everybody can relate to the idea of having a check that sits on the refrigerator, underneath a magnet, or sits in a pile and they don't take it in. And they can say, that makes some sense to me.
Also gaining traction is texting. Some banks have introduced text-based only accounts, so consumers can use their mobile phone to monitor their account instead of a PC. Customers access account balances and see their recent activity by simple text commands. As for Dickinson, she's content using her iPhone to bank out and about, but she's looking forward to a time when her bank offers even more features.
In the future, I hope that mobile banking has an app that incorporates all the good features. There's one that lets you actually swipe and pay, so you don't have to use a wallet. You can just use your phone.
For CBSMoneyWatch.com, I'm Sumi Das.